Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, friends. How are you today?
I'm good, Thomas, but I think I'm a little hungry.
Hungry again?
Yes, again. I think it's because today's topic is about food.
Ah, yes, that explains it. Today we're talking about grocery shopping English.
Exactly. How to talk in English when you go to the market or grocery store.
Teaching tone, well-learned simple phrases, questions, and everyday vocabulary.
And maybe buy some snacks on the way.
Yes, I'm ready.
So let's start simple.
Okay, what's the first thing we say when we go grocery shopping?
Usually we say, I'm going to the grocery store.
Or I'm going shopping.
Or, I need to buy some groceries.
Friendly, grocery means food and other daily items, right?
Yes, things like fruits, vegetables, milk, bread, eggs, soap, and rice.
So, grocery equals everyday things for home.
Exactly.
Let's practice short sentences together.
I'm going to the supermarket.
I need to buy some food.
I'm going grocery shopping.
I have to get some vegetables.
I need to buy milk and bread.
Easy and useful lines.
So before we go shopping, we make a list.
Yes, the grocery list.
You can say, I'm making a shopping list.
Or I need to write down what to buy.
Let's make a small example list together.
Okay. Milk, bread, eggs, rice, and apples.
And tomatoes, onions, sugar, tea, and soap.
Perfect. A simple grocery list.
Yes, sounds like my Sunday list.
Yes, same here.
Now, let's imagine we are inside a grocery store.
Oh, yes. The shelves, the baskets, the smell of fresh bread.
Delicious. Okay, first thing, we take a basket or a shopping cart.
Teaching tone, basket is small. You carry it in your hand.
And cart or trolley is big. You push it on wheels.
You can say, I need a shopping cart.
Or, can I get a basket, please?
Polite and simple.
Next, we go to the fruit section.
My favorite part.
Of course. You can say, I need some apples.
I want a bunch of bananas.
I'd like 2 mangoes, please.
And remember, we say a kilo of rice, a liter of milk, a dozen eggs.
Right. Let's practice slowly.
I need 1 kilo of rice.
I'd like 2 liters of milk.
I want a dozen eggs.
Perfect. These small phrases sound very natural. Now, let's move to the vegetable section.
I can see tomatoes, potatoes, and onions.
You can say, excuse me, how much are the tomatoes?
Or what's the price of potatoes?
Or, are these onions fresh?
Very important question.
Yes, freshness test.
The shopkeeper might answer, they're $40 per kilo.
Or, they're fresh, just arrived today.
Then you can say, okay, I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Very polite. Always say please.
Yes, small words, big respect.
Now, let's talk about other things in the grocery store. Snacks, drinks, cleaning items, daily products.
For example, biscuits, chips, juice, detergent, toothpaste.
Right, let's practice some simple sentences.
Where can I find the biscuits?
Excuse me, where is the milk section?
Can you tell me where the sugar is?
I'm looking for rice.
Do you have green tea?
Great examples. So friends, when you don't know where something is, use the pattern, where can I find? Or where is?
That's the easiest and most polite way to ask in English.
Exactly. Let's imagine a short conversation between a customer and a shop assistant,
Okay, I'll be the shop assistant.
and I'll be the customer. Excuse me, where can I find the rice?
The rice is on aisle number 4 near the flour section.
Thank you. And where is the milk?
The milk is in the refrigerator section at the back.
Oh, okay. Do you have brown bread?
Yes, on the top shelf near the eggs.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Nice acting, Thomas.
Thank you, ma'am. I take my job seriously.
You'd be a good shop assistant.
Maybe my second career.
Now, let's talk about payment phrases.
Yes, the bill part.
Yes, the part where our wallets cry.
Yes, the final step. You can say, I'd like to pay for these items.
Or, can I pay by card?
Do you accept UPI?
Can I pay in cash?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I get a carry bag?
Nice. Practical English for real life.
And when you finish paying, the cashier might say, "Thank you, have a nice day."
And you reply, thank you, you too.
So polite, so friendly.
Always leave the shop with a smile.
Now, Thomas, let's talk about how to describe your grocery shopping habits.
Good idea. You can say, I go grocery shopping once a week.
Or, I buy groceries every Sunday.
You can say, I like shopping in the morning when it's quiet.
I usually shop at the supermarket near my home.
I sometimes order groceries online.
Nice. Mix of sentences. Let's make it a little conversation.
Sure.
So, how often do you go grocery shopping, Thomas?
Usually once a week on Sunday morning.
Oh, me too. Sunday feels like shopping day.
Yes, not too crowded, not too noisy.
And do you go alone or with someone?
Usually alone. I like slow shopping.
Of course you do.
What about you?
I go with my mom sometimes. We enjoy choosing fruits together.
Aw, that sounds sweet.
Grocery shopping can be relaxing, right?
Yes, slow music, walking through aisles, planning meals.
And sometimes buying too many snacks.
Always chips and cookies magically jump into the cart.
Same here, guilty habit. So friends, think of your next grocery trip. You can practice English sentences while shopping.
Yes, talk to yourself. Say things like, I need to buy milk. I'm looking for rice. Where are the eggs?
Great real-life practice.
And next time you're in a store, try to use these words in real conversation.
Exactly. Practice in small steps. No pressure.
Absolutely. So let's start our English shopping trip.
So imagine this. You walk into a grocery store. The door opens, the air is cool, and there's soft music playing.
You take a deep breath. Everything smells fresh.
I can almost smell the bread already.
Me too. Okay, first step, grab a basket.
Or a shopping cart if you plan to buy more.
Yes, I'll take a cart. I might get snacks later.
You always do.
Okay, let's go to the fruits and vegetables section first.
Sure, it's usually near the entrance.
Everything looks fresh.
Look at those apples, so red and shiny.
Yeah. Let's practice. Excuse me, how much are the apples?
They're 120 rupees per kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, some bananas too, please.
Perfect. Short conversation.
Polite, simple, real.
So, you see, friends, always use please and thank you.
Yes, they make your English sound kind.
And if you don't want something, you can say no thank you.
For example, would you like oranges? No, thank you.
Small words, big manners.
Now let's go to the vegetable section.
Okay, let's buy some tomatoes, onions, and potatoes.
You can say, can I have half a kilo of tomatoes, please?
Or, I'd like 1 kilo of potatoes.
Or, do you have fresh spinach today?
Fresh vegetables always sound better when you say them slowly.
True.
After vegetables, we usually move to rice, pulses, and flour.
Yes, grains section. You can say, I need 1 packet of rice.
Or, where can I find the flour?
Or, do you sell basmati rice?
Can I get 2 kilos of sugar, please?
Perfect practice sentences.
So, Thomas, what's next on your list?
Maybe snacks.
Of course, snack section.
You know me too well.
So, what do you say when you can't find something?
Easy. Excuse me, where are the chips?
Or, could you tell me where the biscuits are?
Or, which aisle has the juice?
Aisle means row or lane between shelves.
Yes, you can say, the milk is on aisle 3.
Let's do another quick example.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for bread.
The bread is near the dairy section.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See? Just a few polite words make your conversation perfect.
Okay, next, dairy section.
My favorite, cheese, milk, butter.
You and cheese, best friends forever.
Guilty. You can say, I need a packet of cheese.
I want 1 liter of milk.
Can I have some butter, please?
Is this yogurt fresh?
Great questions. Now, sometimes when we go shopping, things are out of stock.
Yes, very common.
You can say, do you have this in stock?
Or, will you get this tomorrow?
Or, it's okay, I'll come back later.
That's a good polite way to handle it.
Let's go to the payment counter now.
Oh no, the scary part.
Haha, yes, time to pay. You can say, I'd like to pay for these items.
Or, can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Wonderful, here you are.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Beautiful manners always end with kindness.
Is polite with kindness as our last name. Let's do one full mini role play, okay?
Perfect. I'll be the customer this time.
Ekti Palamor, 1-minute role play. Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
It's near the milk section on the right side.
Oh, thank you. And where are the eggs?
The eggs are next to the dairy counter.
Great. Can I have a dozen eggs, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, I'd like a packet of biscuits and 1 kilo of rice.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cards.
Wonderful. Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye.
That was a perfect conversation, Thomas.
See? Short, polite, and very real.
You can practice this at home. Play both roles.
Yes, talk to yourself, one as customer, one as shopkeeper.
English drama at home.
Best kind of drama.
So, Thomas, what do you like to buy most often at the grocery store?
I like cheese. I like milk. Snacks. And bread.
Okay, now let's talk about describing your shopping experience.
You can say, the store was crowded.
You can say the vegetables were fresh.
You can say, the prices were good.
You can say the staff was friendly.
You can say, it was a quick shopping trip.
You can say, I spent about 30 minutes.
Perfect everyday English.
Thomas, do you like shopping alone or with someone?
Alone. I walk slowly and take my time.
I knew it. And you?
With my mom. We talk, we laugh, we buy too much.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it's like a little weekend adventure.
Shopping can actually teach English, you know?
Yes, reading labels, asking questions, small talk at the counter, all real English practice.
True. English is not just in books, it's in daily life.
Absolutely.
Okay, let's do some soft affirmations for learners.
Yes, to build confidence.
I can speak English while shopping.
I learn new words every time I go out.
I can ask questions politely.
I feel confident speaking to shopkeepers.
My English improves with practice.
Every small word makes me better. Beautiful energy.
I can speak English while shopping.
I can ask questions politely.
I learn new words every time I go out.
I feel confident speaking to shopkeepers.
My English improves with practice.
Every small word makes me better. Beautiful energy.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us today.
We hope you enjoyed this calm grocery shopping lesson.
Try using these phrases next time you shop.
And tell us in the comments, what do you buy most often at the grocery store?
We'd love to read your answers.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep practicing simple English every day.
And remember, every time you buy food, you can buy some confidence too.
Perfect line, Thomas.
Thank you, Teacher Sarah.
See you next time, friends.
Bye for now.
Bye.